Janet wants to solve the following equation. Which step should she take first? And the equation is 3 parentheses 4x plus 8 equals 84 plus x. I believe the answer is the distributive property because she has to do 3 distributed between the 4x and the 8.
So, if I understand you correctly, you think that the first step should be distributive property because you distribute the 3 between the 4 and the 8.
Yes.
So, I hadn't thought of that idea, but I think you're right because what I did was I did 3 times 4 and 3 times 8, which is the same thing as doing 3 and distributing it.
Okay. Let's scan it with our QR code.
And switch the active somewhere.
Yeah, we're right. We're right. Okay. So,
Next question.
there's the highlighter.
So, Lainey has $200 and spends $4 per day. Josiah has $20 but adds $6 to it every day. Who has more money after 3 weeks? Okay, so what I got is I got Josiah. He has more money after 3 weeks because whenever you would do 4 times the 3 weeks, you would get 84. And if you take 84 away from 200, that would be 116. So we know that Lainey would have $116 because spending 4 per day means that taking away. So Josiah has 126 to add to his $20 because 6 times 3 weeks is 126. So 126 plus 20 is 146.
After actively listening, I believe that you think Josiah has more money because when you do 200 minus 84, you get 116, you said. And 200 plus 126 is going to get you 146. Because I believe your response is somewhat incorrect, I would like to help you by saying I think one of us did the math wrong, but I'm pretty sure 200 minus 84 is 126, not 116.
So I politely disagree with that because if you would distribute it and do 200 minus 80, that would already be 120. So if we would subtract 4 more from that would be 160.
Brain fart. Oopsie. Okay.
Let's scan it and see if we're right.
Yep. Okay.
Switch the active listener.
Marcel's mother throws Marcel a quinceañera celebration. She pays the party planner $250. The cake costs $125, and she pays $7 per guest. If the party costs $725 in total, how many guests can attend her party?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay. I think it is 50 kids because when you do all the math, you equal it to be 350 divided by $7 per kid.
So, what exactly did you mean whenever you said you added all the numbers? Like, what numbers? Can you explain to me what those numbers were?
I did 250 for the party planner cost, and then 125 because that's how much money they spent on all the costs. And then I added that up and divided that by the total, or subtracted that by the total and divided by 7 because it's 7 per guest, and got 50 kids to attend.
So, I believe you were on the right track because I did all the same work as you, and those are all the totals I got, and I think you did the math right. So, I did added the party planner's cost and the cake cost.